Hi, in this video, we will discuss about service workflow and garment stages. Now, the question is, why do we even need a service workflow and garment stages? Let us understand this with different examples. Let's say you have a mini store. It is a self-sufficient laundry where all the services or processing is done in the store only. There is no workshop or vendor is involved. Then we may have a mega store where a laundry and plant both are available and some services are performed in store or some services are sent for processing to a vendor or a workshop, and workshop may have multiple departments. Then we can have a setup where there are multiple mini and mega store in which some of the store are self-sufficient and some of the stores are sending garments for processing to the plant or the workshop. Now, to control all these different type of scenarios, we need multiple garment stages. Now let's talk about what are the garment stages. So first stage is unprocess. Once you have created the order, the garment are still in the store and is pending for processing, available for processing. Next is you have sent garment for processing and you are still waiting for these garments to receive back from a workshop or a vendor. Next is garment are received from workshop or vendor and waiting for the final processing. Maybe the ironing or packaging is pending. And the final stage is ready, when garments are processed, completely ironed, and they are ready for delivery. Now all these different stages are mapped to different screens in QDC software. We will understand all these different stages and screens once we start configuring different scenarios that we discussed above. Thank you. This is all for the time being. Thanks.